5 simple steps to rank your website in Google. Number 1. Reach out. Contact website owners in markets that are related to yours but are not direct competitors. Offer to write a high-quality article for their site in return for a link in the About the Author section. You can use the site's Contact Us form or the domain Whois information. If you're using email and are in the United States, be sure to follow all CAN-SPAM rules. Number 2. Outsource. If your time is limited, you can outsource the actual writing to someone else. Outsourcing also allows you to scale up your efforts and reach out to more website owners simultaneously. Number 3. Anchor text. Make sure the anchor text of your link in the article contains the keywords you want to rank for. It's better if your domain name contains the keywords because Google won't penalize you for anchor text over-optimization. For example, if you want to rank for blue widgets, your domain name could be bluewidgets.com or even bestbluewidgets.com. It doesn't have to be exact. Number 4. Repeat. You will likely need to contact a lot of site owners to get your first taker. As soon as you get one person to take you up on your offer, mention that site in your next outreach emails. The social proof of pointing to other articles you've written for other websites will greatly increase your future success rate. Number 5. Focus on authority. Only reach out to owners of sites that are already ranking in the top 100 results of Google for keywords related to your market. That market-focused authority will get passed to your site when you get the link. Since Google largely ranks sites based on their market-related authority, that's exactly what you want. Depending on keyword competition, it can take a few weeks to a few months of growing these authoritative links before you're on page 1. Your patience will be rewarded, so don't give up. And don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe to this channel.